It is initially easy to maintain contact with your retaining attorney. He provides you with as much information as he thinks you need. You ask questions to acquire as much information as you believe you need. Afterwards, you will have plenty of contact because of scheduled dates for reports, depositions, and possibly a trial. But in the middle stages, many months or even years can pass with no visible progress in the case. Lawyers are used to these prolonged delays, but you will not be. Plan to call the attorney every few months to check on the status of the case. After they tell you the status, put a note in your calendar to call again in 3 months. Occasionally, you will discover during such a call that the case settled and, oops, we're sorry we didn't let you know. At that point, you can prepare your final bill or prepare a refund for any remaining and unused retainer dollars. Actually, usually if there are unused dollars, they call you first. When a case ends, thank the attorney for having hired you. This could be a simple telephone thank you, or you could write a follow-up letter that formally thanks the attorney. Even if the case did not end well for the attorney and his client, there is no reason you cannot leave the attorney with a good recollection of your participation in it. As an important tactic, then, you should stay in touch with your attorney clients. You must make every effort to keep your contact information current. This means that you have to create and maintain some sort of database for each of your attorney clients. It should include the complete and correctly spelled name and their company name, law firm name, their address and phone numbers, and any email address. Keeping that database current will not be easy. Attorneys change firms frequently, especially the ones that work for large law firms. If you do not stay in contact with them, you will lose touch with them. If you try to contact them and they've moved, either the post office or their employer may be able to let you know how to reach them. But if you do not try to contact them each year, you may lose them forever. If you move or change your phone number or your email address, you should contact every attorney with whom you have ever worked and let them know about the change. In part, that helps to keep their database of expert witness names current and helps remind them about you. You should do something like this every year. If you do not change your address or phone number, you should still conjure up a reason to contact attorneys in your database. You could send a season's greeting card at the end of the calendar year. Receiving such cards from business associates is common, and you will probably receive some from attorneys each year. Attorneys who send me cards are actually among the first I think of when I'm asked for attorney referrals. You should expect the same in reverse.